everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another 3D clay artwork video. Watch it till the end to see the complete process and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So for the longest time, I've been fascinated by Lotus Pichwai art and finally I decided to give it a try. So I picked this beautiful image from Pinterest and this is going to be my reference. But instead of painting it, I'll be turning it into a 3D clay art. I started by drawing the design on a paper and now I am tracing it on the canvas. Since I did not have a carbon paper, I'm using this technique to trace the design. You can directly draw on canvas if you're confident enough. Since the backside of the paper has graphite, it will easily transfer the design onto the canvas. See how easily I was able to trace it with this technique? Now let's bring the clay out. Here I'm using Fevicryl molded clay that comes with two components. One is resin, which is this one, and the next one is a hardener, which is this one. Take small portions from resin and hardener, both equal in quantity, and rub some talcum powder on your hand. Now start mixing the clay, and remember, always work in small portions with this clay. Make sure to have a consistency that looks like this. Now take a small portion from the clay, rub some talcum powder on your hand and the surface, and start rolling the stems. Measure the stem and cut the excess portion and glue it all with the help of Fevicol. Now for the lotus leaves, roll out some clay and take the design and use it as a stencil to cut out the leaf shape properly. Cut the excess part using scissor and shape it nicely and stick it with the help of Fevicol. Okay, I messed up here. The lotus wasn't fitting in the space with clay, so I had to remove it all and resize the pattern to make a smaller one that fits. Did the same for the other two smaller ones, and now for the main lotus, I did it without messing it up. Yay! But the main lotus and leaf beside it had no space, so I adjusted that. Once the clay is dry, we'll apply a coat of gesso all over it. And now finally it's time to paint. For base, I mixed these two colors together. Added some more yellow. Once the base is done, we'll move on to the stem. And leaves, and finally the base of lotus in pink. Now it's time to do the shading on lotus, for which I've taken this lighter shade of pink and a darker shade, and we'll do a one stroke to get that shaded effect. And lastly, this lighter shade on the leaves. Let the paint completely dry and then apply a coat of varnish to protect your art piece. And here is the final look after applying varnish. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like and also please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye and happy crafting!